Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how I add copyright free music to my iMovie/Instagram videos. So first you're going to want to download this Documents app right here. This is what it looks like. This D right here, the Documents app. So I'm going to click it, and once you download that app, you're going to go to the downloads and click the folder. And then you're going to go into the bottom right corner and click the little Safari icon. And it might take you to the App Store, but it'll give you the runaround a few times before it lets you do it. So from here, I'm going to type in YouTube. Then in the search bar, you're going to type in any song you want. So let me see. So I'm going to just do Mixed Personalities. And then click on the one that you want. And I would definitely recommend testing it to make sure that this one actually has audio, because sometimes I don't have audio. So this is definitely the one. So I'm going to go up here. There's two ways that you can do this. So first I'm going to go up here, click the link and copy it. And then I'm going to go into a different website, hold up, called savefrom.net, right up there. And then into this URL right here, you're going to paste the link. Now, it might take you to different websites before you actually get it, but then you're going to scroll down and click. You can just see like the different options, but you're going to click download. And then this type of screen is going to pop up, and it's basically just asking you how you want to save the file. And I just click done, and then I put yes. And then it goes right here. Then you can take it back and see it's loading. So now right here is the Mixed Personalities. You can just click it to make sure. That's the music we just added right there. And just to make sure, you can click it, but the top right corner, you're going to go to edit. I hope I'm not going too fast. Then you're going to click the little checkbox in that one, and you're going to go down to more at the bottom right corner. Sorry if I keep moving the phone. Then you're going to go to share and go to copy to iMovie. But when you do this, you want to make sure that you don't have the iMovie open already, because if you do, it'll basically clear the whole movie and make it seem like it deleted everything, even though it didn't. You're just going to have to reopen it back up. And if you don't understand what I'm saying now, trust me, you'll understand when it happens to you. So I'm going to go to my latest movie. And normally it'll add it somewhere in the video. So you're going to hold it and drag to either the beginning or the end. And then you're going to edit it off. So I'm going to split, delete, and let's just say this is where I want it to be. So I'm going to click detach, and the blue strip right there is the audio. So I'm going to hold down on the audio and hold and push it to the front so that it could start all the way from the beginning until we get back to the beginning. Okay, so bam, I'm at the beginning, and I'm going to play it back because now the music is there. So when you get it to a point where you like it, you can click the blue and click split, and then click it again and click delete, and then delete. Then you delete the rest of the video, and bam. Okay, so that's how you add copyright free music to your iMovie/Instagram videos. And then from here, you can either save it and then post it to Instagram, or just take it to Instagram just like that, and that'll be it. So thank you so much for watching. I hope this helped you in some way. And just saying, this works for any video. It doesn't have to be makeup. It could be, you know, a travel vlog, basically anything. See, and then it takes me to Instagram. So yeah, that's it. Give this video a thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe. And also, if you feel that this video was bad, you can give me a thumbs down and leave feedback for what I can do better besides my camera not focusing. But thank you so much for watching. Bye!